Hi everyone, my name is Allysa and today I will be covering international market entry strategies, and specifically I'm going to be covering a Forbes article on Hyatt's new joint venture. So before I discuss the Hyatt joint venture, I'm going to cover joint ventures and common ventures that may be familiar to you. So what are joint ventures and why are we learning about them in our international business class? So a joint venture is typically when two or more parties come together and they combine their resources such as capital, materials, even equipment, and they do this in order to achieve a common goal they may have. A lot of times two businesses will come together and they'll create a new product and bring it forward, and sometimes this will include the international market. Common joint ventures that may be familiar to you are the NBC TV network and Disney, and they got together and created Hulu, which is an extremely popular streaming service that many of us have at home today. There's also Starbucks and the Pepsi company, and this led to the glass bottle Frappuccino that are sold in stores across the world. So international business can be high risk due to many reasons such as cultural and social differences and market competition. So it's common to see joint ventures in order to enter the international market, and they do this to minimize the risk and limit the number of resources used by one business. So an international market strategy that I've seen in the press as of recently was the Hyatt and Grupo Piñeiro joint venture. Hyatt is a popular hotel brand that is known across the world. The Hyatt Hotel Corporation was founded in 1957 based out of Chicago, Illinois, and Hyatt is not new to the hotel industry at all. They've acquired many hotel chains such as AmeriSuites, Summerfield Suites, Dream Hotels, and many more. And in addition, in 2013, they even introduced all-inclusive into their chain, which is a common hotel practice in more tropical settings. And Hyatt does not stray away from growth. They even plan to add a luxury hotel line this year. Grupo Piñeiro is a family-owned business group that started out as a tour operator in Spain in 1975, and about 20 years later they started to acquire hotels and golf courses in tropical settings such as Mexico, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic. Names include Bahia Principe and Cayo Levantado, and they also offer tourism services such as guided tours and unique experiences as well. So although Hyatt has a large presence around the world, they are limited with their all-inclusive hotel options internationally. So all-inclusive typically includes unlimited food and drink with alcohol as well. And then at some resorts, there is entertainment and activities with your stay. So over time, all-inclusive has become extremely popular because of the value you get and the customer service experience. So Hyatt finalized a 50-50 joint venture with Grupo Piñeiro, and the joint venture benefits both parties. It gives Hyatt a stronger position in the all-inclusive arena, and right now Hilton, which is a large competitor for them, has expanded their all-inclusive options by 75%, so this really helps them. And in addition, it's going to give more options to their loyalty members. For Grupo Piñeiro, they will have a new distribution network and access to Hyatt's loyalty members, opening a whole new potential for hotel guests. So this joint venture creates opportunities for both of them, and they see it as a growth strategy for the future. So Hyatt will acquire the Bahia Principe hotel brand that has 22 all-inclusive hotels in the Dominican Republic, Spain, Mexico, and Jamaica. And it's been valued at about $84 million, having an 85% occupancy rate, which is great. This will expand their all-inclusive offerings by 30%. Piñeiro will continue to manage the properties, and Hyatt will provide commercial and management support services as needed. And in addition, they have agreed that Grupo Piñeiro will be responsible for improvements that need to be made at the properties. So Hyatt is confident with this business move based on past experience with acquiring other hotels such as Sunscape Resorts and AM Resorts. Their manager anticipates a 6 to 7% room growth rate due to strong inbound travel and favorable foreign exchange rates right now overseas. The president of Hyatt, Mark Homplazalam, believes that this type of investment is predictable. It has higher margins and higher free cash flow, and the yields are higher for investors. So overall, this new milestone for Hyatt is going to raise their quality and service standards for years to come.